Hey guys, this is Layla. Welcome back to Heart4ART. Today I wanted to show you guys some cards that I created with specific color scheme in mind because they are custom orders. So I'm going to go ahead and start with this card. It is an 8.5 by, 5.5 by 8.5. Yes. And the color is basically pinks and blacks with neutrals. And I think this card turned out really cute. It's very kind of mixed media because I have paper and bling and those, what do you call these? Not resin, the paper clay frames, some paper flowers. I embossed the chipboard. These are chipboard dies. And I cut them out with chipboard and heat embossed them. The same goes with the fern that's sticking out. The paper collection is here, there, and everywhere, basically. I don't have a specific paper collection in mind. They are years old papers, and I'm, like mentioned in many videos, I'm trying to use up all my stash. So nothing is new. Everything is basically old and pulled out from my stash. So I really distressed the papers. Really, all of the papers in the back have been distressed. This one was a little too dark of a white against the black. The black was too dark. So I took my white stamping pad and just distressed the edges with a makeup sponge. The bling, I cut them up in pieces and then attached them wherever I thought they should go. The butterflies are from Hobby Lobby? No, Recollections. They're right here, actually. I'm making more cards, so they're right here. The Recollections burlap flowers or butterflies. So, and this one is the it's the Prima collection. I don't remember the name, and I think I put it away. Yeah, I don't have it with me. It's not on my table. So yeah, I don't have it, but it's a Prima collection. These flowers are from Hobby Lobby, the paper studio. This one is a Prima flower Recollection, or Michael's brand, the from the $2 bin, those small tiny flowers. They are kind of like these ones right here. So that flower, and then I cut out two banners. So this is a music note, this is the polka dot. They're cut out in banner form, and so is this polka dot right here. And then I just I really distressed them. The fern right here is actually a huge fern leaf, a die cut, and I got it from a rack many years ago. And I cut it up and distressed it with inks. Tim Holtz inks. I don't remember the colors. I don't have it down here with me. And the lace is from Lavish Laces, who's no longer in business, but many years ago I got it from her. And this one is the it's a picture of a rose from a paper collection, the pastel collection from Michael's, I believe. The frame was white, and I just distressed it with some pink and just here and there and everywhere, and you could see some white peeking through, and then I have pink on top of it. Then I have more of the paper collection back here with the roses. So it's really multi-dimensional, and the inside opens. It's kind of a standard card. The inside opens up like that, and I just matted an 1/8 inch for all of them, and it says wishing you happiness on your birthday and always. This is one of my favorite, most used stamp set. I only have 2 birthday stamp sets. These 2 are the most used ones. So that's card number 1. Card number 2 is purples and neutrals. So it was purple, silver, and neutral. Again, it's happy birthday. This is some seam purple, deep purple seam binding. I love this color. It's so pretty. and it's very layered. I have a lace down here from Hobby Lobby. It's the one with the heart on it. This one is also, it's either from Hobby Lobby or Michael's. I got it on clearance. The whole roll was clearanced out, and it's very thick, so it's very, very sturdy. Flowers, again, from Michael's Recollection. This is Paper Studio. This is from AC Moore's in their wedding section. And again, I have that picture frame, but this time it's all in purple. And this is the Prima Lavender Collection. I just recently hauled it, so that's what that collection is. That's why I know what it is. This is just plain purple cardstock in the back. This is green cardstock and I don't remember what paper collection that. No, that's the Lavender Collection too. Yes, that is the reverse of this. So I tried keeping it as neutral as I possibly can. The leaves are faux leaves that you get in your flower bunches. I have some golden thread in the back. Oh, you can see right here. There's golden thread right here. These are the stamens that you get from Hobby Lobby, the wedding section. That's where I got mine from. A couple of years ago, they went on clearance. I don't know why, but they were just clearancing them out. And then I just created a banner, and I heat embossed it with Happy Birthday in silver. And then I just added some random glue dots in here just to add some sparkle. So, and it's an easel card. So that's the front inside of it. I'm sorry. That paper is so pretty. This collection is gorgeous, the Lavender Collection. And then I just added some lace. Underneath here is some lace. And then this bling is from Hobby Lobby, and some pearls on top from Hobby Lobby as well. And just a plain little area that I distressed, and they can write their message right here. The back side of it, I did add the paper, just because when it's standing up, I don't want it to look plain. So when it's here, see, when it stands up, it looks really pretty, because you can see some design. And this is how it sticks up. That's my easel card. So that's card number 2. The other cards are in pinks and oranges. This is, what is this size? This is 5.5 by 5.5. It's just a standard card, 5.5 by 5.5. And it, guys, I don't know these collections because they're very old. They've been in my stash forever, and I don't remember the names of them, but I'm pretty sure you guys recognize them. This is, I think, the My Mind's Eye collection. I don't remember what specific name. These are the doilies that Michael's had in their dollar bin, and I cut it in half and applied it to the edge of it. These flowers are from Paper Studio, Prima, and Michael's, that dollar bin. So there's one right there. This porcelain flower actually came from this little, what is it called? Say It in Pearls or something? Say Your Name in Pearls. From Hobby Lobby when they were clearancing them out. And they were not sticking correctly because I think they're so old that the glue kind of really gave way on it. So I added one right there. There's a tiny one right there and right here. And I just think it looks really pretty. And then this flower is also the Paper Studio, and a big bling and a little matte orange bling right there. And just very simple card. It's layered. Every layer has a matte. So this one has the brown matte. This is orange burlap fabric, and it's actually, I do have that one sitting out here. Like I said, I'll be working on some more cards. This one right here, the Boo paper pad. It's a Halloween collection, but it's not really very Halloweenish. You can use it for daily card making. And I purchased it when Halloween stuff went on clearance at Michael's. That's a Michael's paper pad. It's Recollections. And then again, I have some pink in the back with an orange card base. This is the inside. It says, wishing you a special day to celebrate your birthday. Likewise, again, I did some matting with ivory, pink, dark brown, and ivory, so they can write their message over here. And this card is done. Now, my fourth and final card was actually inspired through Pinterest. I really love the way this card looks. It's very vintage, very shabby. I love it. Again, keeping with the theme of orange and pinks, because that's what they wanted in neutrals. I die cut this little piece with my die cut machine, and then I die cut it twice, and then I cut the center off. I distressed it and edged it with walnut stain from Tim Holtz. Again, the swirls were die cut. I heat embossed them in orange and added them on the side. Now, the Pinterest one had actually stamps on the side, but I didn't want to do stamp. I wanted more dimension, so I added the die cuts. The papers are, again, I don't know. This one I know for a fact is a Prima collection. I don't know, and I don't know these two collections. So, and I don't have them down here with me. But anyhow, you can use any pink and orange paper. And then I just ripped the edges on this. One side is ripped and one side is just cut and distressed. So once I ripped it, I distressed it with my Tim Holtz walnut stain. And on all the edges, and kind of left the center bright in its original form. Added a little bit of tulle, 3 flowers, and a kind of like a drop, pearl drop, and on the edges. And this tulle is cut in kind of like a leaf shape. Cheesecloth in the back that I dyed with the same orange, the Tim Holtz marmalade, I believe it's called, spice marmalade or something. That distress ink, and everything else is walnut stain. The inside is very clean and simple. Oops, it opens that way. And again, I reversed the order with orange, pink, and clear. I'm not clear. I'm so sorry. White that got distressed with Tim Holtz walnut stain. Again, same sentiment on the inside. And this is card number 4. So these are my cards that I have made so far. I still have 4 more cards to make that I will be coming back and showing you guys. And I hope you guys like the cards. And there you go. I hope you guys like the card, enjoy the video. It inspires you to take out your stash, dig through it, find nooks and crannies and little things, scrap pieces of paper, put everything together. Because this is actually all scraps that I had. That's why I can't give you very specific information on what is what. Like, for example, those leaves came out of my Dollar Tree florals that I purchased. And when I don't use the leaves, I just cut them up. I cut the extra stems and I put them in my flower bin. So go ahead and look through all your stuff. Hopefully this inspires you to make beautiful cards. If you like my channel, you like what I'm doing, please subscribe, leave a comment, like this video, share if you have to, and I will see you in my next. Take care. Bye-bye.